hey, there's audio. I see it on the screen now. Yay, good job, Scott. Okay, we can close that bullshit. Okie dokie. I'm back. We're good. And I had a little computer issue earlier this week, so I need to get some editing done. So, what's up, Night Train? Tattoo Rod? Mud Flaps? Thank you, Mud Flap. I know I was stoked on that. That made my fucking day. That I got the community spotlight on quad bowling, and especially that it was on quad bowling. That's one of my favorite edits that I've done so far. Anyway, though, back to what I was saying is, so I need to catch up on some editing. So just so you guys know, I'm editing, this is my quad box unboxing green screen edit. So I've already done my rough cuts. Now I just got to do my green screen stuff, and we're just going to fucking hang out and do that shit. So that's what's going on. So I've already got some of this going in here. I use After Effects to do this. They have, it's the key light feature, which I really like. And yeah, you guys are going to get to see my process on how I fucking do this. So, well, right away, what we want to do is we're going to go up to, oh yeah, I'm screen sharing, okay. We go up to Effect. Oh, I gotta select it. You gotta select it, goofball. So we go up to Effect, Key Light 1.2. I've just got it there. And we open that up, and then you take this little guy and you go bloop, and now it's black. And then if you guys can see, there's still like some white and some weirdness. So what I like to do is there's Screen Pre-Blur. I set that at 3. And then we're gonna go into Screen Matte, and up here we're gonna go into Screen Matte. Sorry, I'm really bad at fucking explaining all this crap. So this is all in the key light feature. The view like gives you different views, so you have final result, and then the Screen Matte, you can see where it's white and black. So if I just left it like this, you would get like weird artifacting where it like speckles, kind of like when Bot Grinder like turns into a ghost. That's what'll happen in it. So with the key light feature, you can clip that out. So we're just gonna do that. And if you go too far, you see what happens if I clip it all. So you wanna go just enough so I don't see any white around the edges, and then like I want a clean edge too up and around myself. And then you can go to the clip white too, and you can bring that down, and you see it gets all funky. And so really I'm just looking for clean edges. That's all I want out of this, is to make sure that that looks nice and fucking clean. And then you kind of want to cruise around a little bit in the video. Sometimes my hair does fucking weird shit. And I do have the chat open, so I can chat with you guys. It's on my other monitor. So I just kind of want to browse around through this and make sure that it all looks good. Wait a minute, what the hell's going on here? It's only got 30 seconds. And then that thing is gone. That's not right. Yeah, that's the right one. What the hell did I do here? Composition settings, frame rate. Oh. I think it's like, that's what I fucked up. So yeah, a lot of this stuff is making sure that your settings, like in Premiere and in this, is making sure your composition settings are right. So I only set it for 30 seconds. So we're gonna make it 8:30. And that. Okay, there we go. Just took it a second to catch up. Okay. to? What is going on there? Oh no, it's okay. Okay, sorry guys. Oh, see, like that's what I'm looking for right here in this corner. There's still a little bit, so we're gonna go back. We're gonna click on this. We're gonna go back into effects, and is it from the white? No. I'm gonna back that down just a hair, and then we're gonna clip just a little more black out. There we go, and then just One thing I have not been able to figure out is this Adobe Premiere? No, this Gearhead, this is Adobe After Effects, and I use Premiere to do the rough cut. So I shoot the green screen, bring it into Premiere, and then take all the rough cuts and then throw it into After Effects, render it out of that, bring it back into Premiere, and then put all my final cuts, little audio and all that bullshit. And then Mudflap, do you do the Adobe? Yes, so I do the Adobe subscription thing. It's $50 a month, and you get all their programs, and it updates every year. So now I just got CC 2018, so you get all the new features and everything. You can also just get Premiere as well. I think it's $30 if you want just Premiere, and I'm pretty sure they have a trial thing too. You can try it out. What the hell is that? That's a little strange. Oh, my mic is moving on me here. How did I get it before? Stay. Okay, so just looking for any weirdness in it. So far everything looks good. Alright, so now we'll go back into final result. It looks pretty good. Okay. Cool. So now we're going to pull background crap. So we're going to go back into the project and talks, and then we want to go into, I think it's going to be December quad box, January quad box. Aha, here's that picture. Import. Then we import that guy. I like it, Mudflap. Sorry, I know I'm kind of like in between these two screens. I like having like all the programs because I also use Photoshop, and then I use Audition as well to do like custom audio stuff. I'm not familiar to DaVinci Voltronics. We'll run Premiere. Yeah, you do need a pretty good computer to run these heavier programs. That is one of the drawbacks. Oh, and there's one other thing too I fucked up in there for doing the green screen stuff. We need to go back into effects. I'm all over the place. Screen pulling blur, and then there is soft color, and I'll use hard color, and I like to use white. Okay, there we go. Okay, so all that does is like where there's a little bit of green, it's going to replace it with white. So again, it's about that nice clean outline. So we got that done. So now we can go back to the project. I got this DJI image. We're going to drag that down to here. And one of the things, trick that I use for this is it can be a little tricky to like edit each cut perfectly in After Effects trying to do this. At least the way that I know how to do it. I definitely don't know everything about this program. So what I do is, like, if you notice there's a little bit of space there, and then there's spaces in between, like when I'm going to do a photo change or whatever. Where is it? It's somewhere. I'm looking for it. There it is. Like that. So I leave those in there so you don't have to like precisely line it up, and then when I bring it back into Premiere, it's a lot easier to do that shit. So now we're just going to take this bad boy and we are going to shrink him on down to here. Bam. And then the other thing we want to do, I need to highlight it. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Go back. Here we go. Composition. We're going to scale it down. Oops. Or I wanted to scale it up. There we go. So then, perfect. So there you go. There's that right there. Ta-da! Let's see. Let me catch up with chat here. Mudflap needs a new PC. Yeah, dude, you can save a lot of money building one, and they're not that hard to build. It's pretty simple. Holy shit, 45 minutes to render a 3-minute video? Ouch, dude. I can render, it's like way quicker. I would not be able to do that. That would drive me nuts. On the GPU or more on the CPU. I'm gonna say the CPU, Gearhead, that it's definitely it runs my CPU. We can look. You guys want to look right now? Let's see what the CPU is doing. It's this one. Yes. This program is called Specky. You can get it for free, and it like analyzes everything you got going on. Oh, wait a minute. This is the wrong one. I should have opened this thing. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. 17%, but I'm not rendering right now. When I render, it's like closer to 60. We're running at like 116 degrees. I like it. Okay, moving on with this edit here. So now, this is the quad box opening part. So we are gonna go back to FPV Talks. Where is it? March box. Where's the March box? March box. There it is. Okay. I wish it showed me the. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Much better. Medium. Oh, but is that large icons? Okay, that's better. Let's see here. Which photo do I like the best? That one looks pretty dope. So, what? Do I need to run it through? So wait, did it just bring in this other rant? I don't know what that's all about. Let's delete that. Delete this layer. Sometimes my keyboard shut down. Let's see here. What's the track? Mudflap. Oh well. DVR video, edit an OpenShoot editor free and throw music. I can't imagine trying to edit video to music flow. Editing, blah blah blah. Okay, you guys are just talking amongst yourselves. Perfect. I can focus on this shit. Normally I do this by myself and I'm trying to include you guys and I'm getting fucking lost and now I'm having issues. So we're gonna open Photoshop. So, by the way, how's the weather, guys? Anybody doing flying? Who's going out and doing flying? Great new. Actually, no, we're gonna skip around here. We're gonna go to open, and then I need to go to videos, FPV talks, and March Quad Box. Okay, I believe it was this one that I was looking at. Okay, I like it. File, save as. We're just gonna save that as a background. Hi, love. Oh, okay. I gotta come cut it. I gotta go cut my pizza, guys. I will be right back. And then yeah, we're gonna put up something else here. Alright, fuck it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry. Dinner calls. And my desk is a bloody fucking mess. Okay, so, where were we? Oh, yeah. So now we gotta go back into here, and there it is, and hopefully this time it imports it properly. It looks like it did. Yay, it did! I do a good job, guys. Okay, let me check up. Holy shit, it took a month to edit? That's fucking crazy. These take me like a couple hours to do normally. So... oh, we definitely need to rescale this thing. I wish I could get that to open. There we go. Why is it not showing the image? There we go. That's fucking weird. It's freaking out. Let's bring that down to 50%. What does that look like? What is going on? We're gonna go 35%. What does that look like? Okay. Anyway, 40 bucks. Oh, that's pretty cheap. 40 bucks. The Premiere subscription is a little expensive on like a yearly basis. It's 600 bucks for the fucking years. Why is it's there when I move it, but when I stop, what the hell is going on here? I'm in the composition. This has effects. Yeah, that's all right. This one's good. I don't know what's going on tonight. This one, trying to do this live, and of course I'm having all kinds of fucking issues. Why is this JPEG not cooperating? Down for sure. Bring it over. If I click off of it, what? Why is it doing this? Why? What the hell? I don't get it. Alright, let's try something else. File. Sometimes it's all about the file type. We're gonna make this a PNG instead. Save. Give that a second to save there. Okay. We are going to delete this one. We go back into the project. I want to take that out of the project. Is this one the PNG? Yes. Does that make it happier? There it goes. That's what it wanted. It wanted a PNG, guys. I figured it out. Okay. Anyway. Bam. Now we're going to go to scale. 35 scene. That's not bad. Let's try 28. Oh, 28's way too small. 32? That's not bad. Which way do I want to move it? Yeah, I like 32. Okay. Make sure that it looks good, that there's no weirdness in it. All that blah 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 that I was talking about earlier. And let's take a minute. I gotta catch up with chat here. What do we got going on? Blah, blah. You guys talking about how many subs you gain, and how many subbers. It's a grind to get the subs. It's a grind to get the subs for sure. You gotta do crazy stupid shit and wreck quads into windshields and crap. You only have 20 subs, and half are your family. Let's see here. Gonna sub Mudflap. On the Dead Ben show. Oh, hey, FPV Prince is in here. What's going on, Tony? Yeah, I'm just catching up with chat. You guys are just chatting amongst yourselves about the sub grind. I'm sitting here eating. Okay. Oh, I've already screwed this up now. So, now we're going to trim this image down. Make sure it fits. Oh, needs more. Some more. Just the props right there. This one is hilarious too. This is my funniest quad box unboxing that I've done, for sure. I had a good time with this one. Where is the? There's the end. There's my little spacer that I was talking about that I leave in this. Bam. Perfect. Okay. Now, shit, I forget what's in this cut right here. Let's open Premiere. So this is Premiere. I'm sorry if I'm confusing you guys. I'm like, this is my editing process. I jump in between all these fucking programs. Let's see. You guys get to hear the audio from this one. Hopefully it's not too fucking loud.
I really liked it this month. This was a fucking good one. Value's
I know what this
there
is.
for me. I'm excited. I'm got another BPS, and
I don't think this is going in. I got weird with that one, but I wasn't sure if I'm going to use it or not. I'm in the air. I'm in the air. All right, so it's kind of like a closing shot, so we're going to go back to the city. So we're going to go ahead and pull another DJI in, and we're going to trim this one down just a little bit. Oh yeah. Bam. Bam, line that shit up right there. Whoops, where's the space? There's the space. So we're just gonna go ring, bing, got it, good. Okay. Perfect. Oh, I need to scale this one too. How do I scale this one? And I positioned it too. Let's take a look real quick. By 113. I did some weird shit. It is kind of weird to do. Wait. Oh, I'm not looking at the right one. Ha ha ha. Stupid. That's 150. Let's do 180. By 150.9, and that's its position. So, quick little tip. You know, if you have any of the Adobe products, so you have like scale over here in this corner where I'm mousing, and you can use that to like line all your different shots up, so your scale and position and all that crap. So you can just go in here and just be like, oh, I'm gonna make it 180, and then when I go down to this other one, I'm gonna go into this one now. We're gonna make it 180. Oh, whoops, I made it 18. 180. And we got rid of that, and this was by 150.9. Bam. And then the position is 708 by 344. 344. Bam. So now my intro background of the Denver skyline and my exit are perfectly lined up. There won't be any like weird changing in the scale or anything like that. So we can close those little tabbies up and clean that up a little bit. Okay. So do a quick little run through here, and then I'm going to catch up with chat because we're pretty much ready to render this part of the project out. Ooh, I want to fix that. I don't want these overlapping, only because it does weird shit in the render sometimes. Okay. And then this one has got the two weird things in the actual exit, which was fucking hilarious, by the way. Okay. Looks pretty good. So then we go up to here. Oh, hold on. Anytime you go to do a render in Premiere or After Effects, save your fucking projects. I have had it crash doing renders so many times, and I forgot to save my project. And then you were done, and now you have to fucking start all over again. God damn you, Adobe. So, Control S. Save this. This is going to be March K-Box 18. Save. Okay. Now we go, you highlight that, we're going to say File, where is it, Export, and then you go to Add to Render Queue, and then I make it lossless. So with these, to keep the quality really high, this little render that's like 7 minutes long will be like 120 gigs. It's fucking huge. And then when I put it back into Premiere and then re-render it out, I recompress it back down. That way you don't lose any of the quality of it. So I always leave my settings at best settings, lossless, and then you can always title it whatever. I always remember what it is because it's a .avi, and those are huge fucking files. So then we click render, and let's see how long, and then it does like a slow motion frame by frame render. You guys are getting to see right now. I just want to see. So this is gonna take like a half hour to do for this 7-minute video. But it takes all those layers and compresses them together. After Effects always takes longer than Premiere or Premiere to render out. So in the meantime, let's see what's going on with chat up here. What's going on with chat up here? There's no real, oh, when there's double me. I guess I need to figure out how to do this better. So what if I add display capture? Okay. Why? Oh, whoops. I did display, so okay, I'm screwing up here in OBS. Screwing up here. Can I delete that? Okay, no, I can't. Are you sure you want to? Yes. Okay, it works. Okay. So, I want to add a video capture device. Okay. Does that work like that? If I get rid of this one and this, I just go to black screen. Okay. No, bring that back. Well, we're just gonna do it this way then. We're gonna go to video, this one, and then I'm gonna blow myself up. Okay, we'll just call that good right there. All right. So, Night Train's on a pack-a-day challenge. Nice, dude. I like to do that shit. FPV Prince. I didn't see your edit because I hadn't opened mine yet. So, you know what? We're going to watch it right now. How about that, FPV Prince? Let's do that right now. Because I like to open it and then, you know, have it be a surprise. So I saw you posted it, but I hadn't opened it yet. Let's go. Oh, that's the live stream. And then we're going to go to FPV Prince. Where is it? FPV Prince. There it is. 5 minutes. Perfect. Nice and short. That's funny. I've downloaded this same song actually from No Copyright Music. Ooh, I like your box intro. I gotta redo my quad box intro because when I shot mine in front of the green screen, I did it with a fucking swag box.
What's up,
now
everybody?
the swag box gone.
This is Tony McFlight here with FPV Prince and Quad Explosion today. We are going to get into this quad box for March of 2018. And I want to make this quick. If you don't know already, I am a drone pilot. I thought I'd wear my drone pilot hat for the occasion. So let's get into this.
Oh, hold on.
Hell yeah. Alright. Let's see what we got.
What if I get rid of this?
First off, we got some.
Oh, I know what we can do.
Like, V1S. Yeah. HQ V1S props 5x5x3. Looks like we got 2 sets of those guys. So that's pretty cool. I have some V1S props. Here's some
Okay, we're watching that shit.
some stickers here. We got the JD head, Rotorite, dome, all zombied out and stuff. Looks pretty cool. Another little
Inception.
So, Hulky 50-55s. We got 3 sets of Hulky 50-55s. Black, Gen Fan. I heard these things are noisy, but
I did
they
it,
don't
guys, I
mess
did
up,
it.
they're not really bad on the battery. I don't know. Try these ones out. See,
I like the
what we got
50-55s.
next is-
Uh,
get this
that's like pretty much my like go-to prop, so I was stoked on that.
Oh, okay. So this is a just a little tray, magnetic tray. You can stick up wherever. Boom, right there. You can do all your nuts and bolts in there. Boom.
Dude, I did not know what the tray was at first. It's great. You'll love it. What I did in my fucking video.
Hardly free.
I had no fucking clue what that tray was.
But
It was
that's
great.
Cool. You know, it's awesome. Okay, so this is a Tramp HV 5.8.
Any of you guys use the Tramp? I only run TBS Unify. Who
This
uses
is
the
pretty
Tramp?
cool. Right now, I am running a couple boards with the DTX built in, so as soon as those go out, I will be running those. Alright, that's a cool little boost. Little 2.5 mil, I think. That looks like a 2.5 mil. Let's see.
TBS for Voltronics.
Yeah, it's not 2 mil, it's 2.5 mil.
What do you guys think of the Tramp? I've never used it.
See, but it'll come in handy at the here on the desk. That right there. Boom. All right. So what do we got next? So here's the second half of the boost.
Oh, he's all TBS
So
now.
that stubby antenna. I wish it was a longer one.
Yeah, I love the smart audio, but the Tramp has something similar like that.
Fat Shock Immersion RC. That's it's kind of cool. I don't really run these antennas anymore, but it's all good.
Man,
Extra antenna.
man, at PV Prince Tony. Sorry, I don't know. I say your real name
There's
because
that. That's
since
the
we've
second
met.
part of the boost. That's pretty cool.
You just
Last
don't
one
like antennas,
is,
bro. What do you got against
two
antennas? I love all antennas. Because I break antennas to.
Yeah.
That's why I love all
Alright,
antennas. I'm just talking
the
shit.
last thing we got here. Let's see. Let's look at this first. We got
Show us the discount code, bro.
15% off at Drone Racing Parts. That's pretty cool. It's like a one-time use. And
Steal his code. No, I'm kidding.
Little bonus. And the shirt for
And the
this month
t-shirt.
is Super Tech. Let's see, homie with the flight controller, homie, just cruising.
Okay, it is Super Tech. I didn't know.
Looks like a kiss.
I look stupid in my video because I was like, how the fuck
Alright,
do you
guys, thanks
say
for
that?
watching.
Blah, blah,
We got
blah,
a
blah,
bunch of cool
blah.
stuff here. Definitely made up for last month. It was pretty down.
Yeah, you were pissed last month.
This
He was more upset about the quad box than the fact that he got his fucking truck stolen. Oh, you like the pagodas? Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh yeah. I like it, man. I like it. Ooh, I like your was that a little After Effects exit? Did you make that or did somebody make that for you? Whoops. We're gonna go back to the full screen of me. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Okie dokie. So, what to do? We're still waiting to, you know what we can do? Let's just take a quick look here. It's Specky. Oh god. The processor's a little hot. She's a little hot right now, rendering out. Open Resource Manager. How we doing here? Yeah. So rendering in After Effects right now. My CPU is running at 143 degrees. And I have liquid cooling on that bad boy and really big nice fans. And then I am using 75-78% of my my processing. And let's see, what did it say for the? And I'm using 13 gigs of RAM. So pretty good, within acceptable limits. As I said, After Effects is really hard as on your system. Liquid nitrogen, cool its ass. That'd be cool. It'll be alright. It'll be okay. Because with the liquid cooling, it will, once the render is done, it'll cool the fuck down. Alright, so I'm going to try to play some Velocidrome. We're going to see if the computer can handle it. I just got to keep an eye on my core temperature. Because also I overclocked this processor that I'm running. So I want to make sure she doesn't get too hot. And it does have an auto shut off. So if it gets too hot, it'll just kill everything. And then all of a sudden I'll disappear. And my render won't happen. That's the real thing, why I want to keep an eye on it. It looks like we're okay. Let's, hold on. I'm going to put this up on this monitor so I can keep an eye on that. And then we're going to go this to full screen. And then we're going to, oh god. Uh-oh. Oh, are we good? Yeah, we're good. Use a dog hair covered ban, I love it. Okay, so we're gonna go to multiplayer, select model, or whoops, no, not multiplayer, I'm not trying to do that, we're gonna do single player. Let's do Underground Car Park. I'm gonna just see what happens when I actually start to run this. Before I screen share.
Ready to race.
How hot does she get? Okay. Uh-oh. She's running a little hotter at like 150. I think we're good. I think we're okay. If I disappear and the stream crashes, you know what happened. I overheated my processor. And, yeah, so, OBS. Let's go like this. Oh, no, video capture. What's happening? There we go. Oh, thank you, Tony. I know, I was stoked on that, man. That was cool. And for that video, I was really, happy that it was that video. That's my favorite edit. I'm gonna make myself, how small do you guys, should I be? We'll go about there. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite. Oh, is this frozen now? Oh no, we're good. We're good. Oops. That was horrible. Doing a bad job. Doing a bad job. What's your guys' favorite sim? I really do like Velocidrome. That's my particular favorite. What do you guys like? I'll try to take a look. Hey, Old Gravy Leg! What is up, Old Gravy Leg? Old Gravy Legs, what is my package temps? What? What do you mean, what is my package temps? I'm, what are we running at? Yeah, it's still holding at 150, running this and rendering out, so we should be good. We're all good. That was horrible. Did you guys see that? I'm trying to like read the chat and fly, and that's not working out. I'm just gonna just mess around in here. And this is like my warm-up too. I didn't even go anywhere else. This is my favorite map because you have to have the throttle control to save it, like when you screw up like that. And like that. Doing so bad. Advanced room setup. Okay, so let's. Oh, you thought the stream died? Did it die? I think it's okay, right? It's still going good. Processor's good. Hold on, do I need to check the YouTube, the live dashboard? No, it says we're okay. We're okay. Alright, back to Velocidrome. We're gonna switch maps because I am not warmed up and I'm sucking in the underground car park. like the city. The city, whoops. The city is a, slow down. Really good map. Here we go. Okie doke. There we go. We're going.
Ready to race.
Ooh, we're a little hotter. I saw 154. Oh yeah. This is probably my favorite map, actually. This is a good map. And where else can you just cruise around? Just fucking shred up the city. Oh, that was close. Almost just slammed her right into that building. Ooh, can I get it? Can I get in there? Nope, I missed it. Let's try that again. Ah, and I wrecked. Womp womp womp. Let's see here. Use a throttle curve. I don't use any throttle curve on my radio. I just like straight, like linear throttle. Let's see here. I haven't tried simulators. I'm a broke glass artist trying to stay in the air. I hear that, demo. I hear that. Are you rendering while you're playing my... Yes, I am. I am totally rendering while playing the sim right now. And, actually, I'm just curious... Oh, wait, it's not this one. Close that one. I want this one. So, yeah, while playing the sim, I am using... Here, let me put this one up top, too, actually, so I can actually, like, play at the same time. Let's see what happens when I'm playing. I'm pushing it. Oh yeah, no, I'm totally pushing it. I'm using like 104% of my processing power. And how many... I'm not even watching the screen right now. I'm just totally guessing where I'm flying. What's memory at? 84%. So I'm using like 15 gigs of RAM and... oh, I missed that. 15 gigs of RAM and like 100% of my processing power to play a sim while rendering in After Effects. Oops, bottomed out. Bottomed out. So once this renders, we'll go back to editing. I'm just waiting for this render to happen. Oh, that didn't work out. Neither did that, damn. Alright, let's get this power loop. I missed it again. It's a tricky one. You gotta go whoop, through that gate. Oops. Trying to cruise right on by there. You know, does anybody experience this? Why is it so much easier to do backwards like crap, like Matty flips, in the sim, and then in real life they're so much fucking harder to pull off? I can do Matty flips all day in the simulator. Oh, I messed that one up. I got too close. Render time we've got left. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna land. We're gonna catch up with the chat for a second here, because I can't read while I'm flying. Let's see here. So what do we got? I also make throttle. Blah, blah, blah. Old Gravy Lake. What are my specs? I am running an Intel i7 59K 3.7 gigahertz processor that I'm overclocking, and it has 6 cores, so it's a 6-core processor. And then I've got 16 gigabytes DDR. I think it's DDR4 at 1066 megahertz, and then it's a and oh god, what's the name of the motherboard? I can't think of the name of the motherboard. Hey, what are you doing, Fluffy? My cat's joining for the live stream. Hey, buddy, come here. I don't know if you can hear him meowing. He's right off camera right now. He's gonna try to come over here and fuck shit up. That's what he does best. Anyway, and it's an Asus. That's it. It's an Asus motherboard, and it's got the smart motherboard technology. So it it'll shut off automatically. I have it set to shut off at like 175 degrees. So when it's like in the red zone burning up, it'll kill it before it fries out on me. And then you can control all the fans and stuff. That's how I figured out that it was my pump that went out, because the liquid cooling pump is plugged into it, and it was running at like 5 RPM, and it should be running at like 25 RPM. So I was like, oh, well, that's why I'm overheating. Stop it, Fluffy. No, you can't get up here. And then what else? Oh, and then graphics is just it's just a Nvidia GeForce GTX 750. Nothing special, just kind of run of the mill. And then I run 3 hard drives. I have a solid state that's only 500 gigs, and I keep all my programs on that, and that's it. Nothing else. I keep that hard drive as clean as possible, so it has really quick startup times, and it runs Premiere and all that crap. And then I have a 4 terabyte storage drive and a 6 terabyte storage drive, because originally I put a 4 in and then I filled that up with video. So I bought a 6 as well, and then has compressed and moved shit around. And yeah, there's the specs on that. Let's check out what's going on with in the chat here. Sorry, I went on a rant there. Oh, thank you, Demo. I loved my Gorilla Whoop in a gorilla suit was fucking, that was fun. That was fun. We got 18 minutes left on this render, guys. This render will be done in 18 minutes. And then we're gonna go back into Premiere, and you guys will get to see me make my final cuts and add music and some of the comical shit I have going on. It's a little sneak peek. Let's see here, where was I? But I'm gonna go back to that. Ah, but you have an Asus as well. I like mine, dude. I like mine. Yeah, mine does as well. What am I clocked to? I am running like at like 4.2 gigahertz. I didn't see your question till just now, Old Gravy Lake. Yeah, so it's a 3.7, and then I'm running it at like 4.2. Let's see here. Anything else going on? All right. I think I caught up on the chat. Oh, Mudflap says I'm the Gorilla Whoop King. Somebody should 3D print me a crown with a gorilla riding a whoop. That's what I need. I'm totally kidding. You don't have to do that. Let's fly around for a minute. Oop. That was horrible. I'm sitting not comfortably. Here we go. That's much better. Waiting for my video to fucking render. Ah, I missed that again. Trying to come into that all weird and wonky. Getting a little bored at this map. little bit bored. That's okay. I'll change it up here in a second. That was a horrible loop. Straight horrible. And I bottomed out. Done. Later, Voltronics. Yes, Deadband tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern time for the whole like 10 people that are in here that definitely watch it because it's all of you guys. It's tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern, right? Hold on, I'm gonna check. Oh, there's 7 people watching. You don't watch the Deadband show. 7 for you 7 guys. Let's go to Coastal Countryside. River 2 is pretty fun.
Ready to race.
Quality level, beautiful. Oh god. That was just weird, not what I was going for. So the river, of course, has all these nice little trees you can just fuck around with. And I just throttled into the ground. Good job, Scott. And then it also has this really fun castle thing over here. Just fun to fuck around in. Ooh, not gonna make it. Woo! I tried to hold on to the last second there. And that did not work out. I love power loops. They're my favorite fucking trick. I know they're basic, but ooh, when you get them right, they look so good. God, I'm doing horrible all of a sudden. Horrible simming here for you guys. Oh my god. What am I doing? I'm playing like shit tonight. I'm glad this isn't my real quad. I had to smash the hell out of this thing by now. Although that is what's fun about The Sims, right? Is you can just totally not give any fucks at all. Whoop, castle wall. Kind of turned right into that one. That's what you get for throttling without looking, guys. Ah. That would have been cool. Just trying to kill some time. Oh yeah, you know what? I don't think I've really like announced this. I haven't told anybody yet. Not only this week did I get on to in the community spotlight, but also I am now on UFDA crew. So we're gonna be fucking around with those guys doing some collaborations and shit. So I'm excited about that. That should be fun. Do some new stuff. What's up, fish? Sub the bean. Oh, what's going on? My mouse is freaking out right now. Why is it? Alright, I'm catching up with chat now. Wait for... Oh, okay, thanks, homie. That's for me plugging that. I'm way behind. Fish. Where... How did you come up with your name, Fish? Like, where did fish come from? Do you like fish? Do you like fishing? I'm just totally curious. Mine got made up in high school years ago. You used to drink beer like a fish. Question answered. I like it. That would make sense. does it do this? Is there you might know, Old Gravy Leg, is there a way in the chat to make it so it'll fucking just automatically show fucking comments with cuss words in them? I hate that I have to click that shit. It's ridiculous. I don't got time to be clicking on all those. Especially because everybody cusses, right? Fuck YouTube and their anti, you can't swear to demonetize shit. Oh, that would be amazing. I'm sucking again. I'm sucking again. And I don't know what to do to stall for time while we're waiting for this fucking render. What do we got left? 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Just cruising along here. We're almost to the end. Or no, estimated remainder is 10 minutes. It might help if I don't run that. Okay, so let's go back up to here now. Turn on text to speech. Turn on text to speech. In the chat? Oh, where's the chat? I might have to go into the actual stream thingy. I'm gonna go up here, and then we're gonna go. Boop. Okay, perfect. I like it. Okay, so let's go into the good old internet here. 9 watching. Nice, killing it. Killing it, fucking off. Waiting for these next 10 minutes. I should go get another slice of pizza. I am fucking hungry, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Text to speech. Where the fuck is that? Minutes. Chat enable. I don't see text to speech. Close that. Done. Old Premiere Pro. Yeah, or actually that's After Effects, fish. I'm doing my green screen edit, and right now it's rendering out my my green screen shit, and then we're gonna go into Premiere Pro. Did you print what kind of GoPro mount? Did you print a GoPro mount, 3D printed mount, or did you fabricate it? Oh, I think it's an app. Oh, okay, okay. From the Google App Store. Text to speech. Whoops. Oh, well, hold on. Before I do this, I have to ask now. Did I just kill the stream? Shit. Hold on. Did I kill the stream? Is it back? Oh, okay. I'm gonna go check out the UFDA chat. It looks like the stream's still going. I just totally just fucking closed all kinds of shit. Okay, we're good. We're all good. What was I doing? I was, fuck, I don't remember. Let's see here. Where is it? I gotta say, I cannot keep up with the UFDA discussion. Like, I check it in the morning, and then I go to work, and by the time I get home from work, there's like 102 posts. I'm like, holy shit. I try to fucking... I'm looking for the... Where's the preview? Where's the mount preview? I can't find it. No. Can't find it. And then I had something else that I wanted to look at. Now I don't fucking remember what it was. I don't remember. Ooh, what's Botcoin doing? Ooh, Botcoin's up to 1940 right now. I really need to buy though. I need to buy some Botcoin. I am totally just fucking off right now. Come on, Premiere or After Effects. How long does it got? 4 minutes. 4 minutes, guys. And then we should be good to go. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And now it's cruising right along. Okay. I was gonna do something. Oh, I was gonna look for that app. That's what I was looking for it. Eat that pizza. I should go get the slice before this finishes. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I know I'm a horrible streamer. I'm horrible. Okay, I'm back. Well, we're almost there. Go get some food, Bean. Go get some food. You don't gotta stay. Alright. What's going on here? Accept. I want to accept it. Nice, dude. Oh, did you guys hear that beat? That means we're done. Nice, dude. That looks sick. Me and my buddy Nate are looking into a 3D printer. We're gonna get our first fucking printer and fuck around with that shit a little bit. Okay. Now we need to open Premiere Pro. We're gonna close this project. I need to set OBS up right. Oh, nope, click on that. I need to get better about setting my scenes up. Okay, I'm gonna say new project. This is March K-Box Final. Okay. I don't know why it does this all the time. Panel group settings, close panel group. This drives me nuts. Okay, and then we are going to go here. And first I'm going to pull my music in. Sometimes it takes me hours to find music, but for this I always use the same one. Shit, what the fuck was that shit called? See you soon. That's it. Open. Okay, and then we're also going to go here, videos. Where is this it? Comp 1 AVI, yeah, 88 gigs on that render out from fucking After Effects. So now we bring this in, and now we're just gonna refine a little bit of it. Back frame, back frame.
What is going on?
What the fuck happened here? The audio's all fucked up in my render. What the fuck?
What is going on?
Well, that's not right. Can you guys hear that? Do I have the... Yeah, I got the desktop thing on. What the hell happened there?
What is going on?
What the fuck? God, I've had nothing but problems with this one tonight. Oh. I should do this. Wait. Pop out, chat. Okay, we need to put that back up there. Okay. What the fuck is up with that? Jeez, VCL doesn't even want to play it.
What is going
What happened here? Composition. Oh, that's why I don't have anything selected. Why did it do that? I've never ever had this problem before. This is the first time I've ever had it render out, and I do a ton of these green screen things. I do these all the fucking time. Preview. Play current preview. What is going on? I know that's not how the render came out. Actually, you know what? I didn't watch the render. This is the rough. Yeah, what the fuck? Okay, so that renders fine. That's all that for that. So, let's go to chat here. Oh, well, you have a bad compression. I know. I know. The audio up. LOL, yeah, I know. This is the first time I've ever had it happen, though. Like, I use this to do all my green, even my paid, like, green screen testimonial crap I do for companies and shit. I've done, I don't even know how many of these now, through After Effects, and this is the first fucking time I've ever had it do that. This is effects, layer, composition. Let's go custom. Okay, we're gonna see, maybe the render settings got fucking changed here. That's the AVI, which is what I want. I want it to keep the high quality there. Audio is 48. Okay, let's put it to 32. And yeah, it should be 48. That's what the input is, although I think it's 32. Stereo. Uncompressed. Audio interleave. Should be none. Huh. Damn it. Does that mean I gotta fucking render again? That's what it looks like. Which, if that's the case, I'm probably gonna wrap this the fuck up, because I'm getting tired and fucking irritated now. I need to have a pizza. Oh, somebody's calling me. On Facebook, I think. I'm trying. Hold on. Oh. Oh, yeah. I know, my buddy, I need to go back into Messenger. Let me, oh, God. A little bit. There it is. There he is right there. I am streaming now, homie. Streaming now. I can't take your call. Okay, what's the chat there? Theoretically, I know it should render good, right? Should render good. Okay, so queued. So fucking render. Everything's up. It's lost a custom AVI. One AVI. Render. What does it say for estimated time? Oh yeah, I was just totally screen sharing my Facebook. Nice. Oops. I think your fucking GoPro design thing was up there, Fish. My bad. I think I had that open when I fucking jumped over to answer that call. So we're gonna go 35 minutes. Yep, I am totally not gonna continue. Oh, that's weird that you've had such a horrible experience with After Effects. This is the first time in like years that I've ever had an issue with it. But hey, you know, that shit fucking happens, that's for sure. Alright, we're gonna put that up. And then we're gonna go over to here. Okay. Yep, so this is going to take 30 minutes, guys, and I am not going to try to kill another 35 minutes trying to get this to render out and all that shit. So that was the sneak peek of my quad box unboxing. Sorry it didn't go that well. I was hoping it would be better. And there's only 3 people watching anymore. So, you guys have a good night. Comment, like, subscribe, don't. Do you. I made it for an hour and 20 minutes. Later, guys. End stream.